camel toe, the bane of all women, especially dancers. Now you walk into class and you can kind of see, shapes hanging out there. Not cute. So, certain ways and certain things that we can do to prevent that. And it's really simple. You probably already have them at home. Or if not, just hop down to your grocery store. You can totally get it. You need some panty liners. Now, panty liners, you have to be a little bit more particular about that. We want to choose panty liners that are a little bit longer and that are a little bit thicker. Now, the reason why we want to choose a little bit thicker, like panty liners that are a little bit thicker, is because we want to make sure that it doesn't concave back in. We've got two here, and we're going to show you. This is a thin one. You can see it's shorter and it's really thin. We have another one here. It's a little bit longer and also thicker. You can see this is longer and also the thickness of it is a lot thicker. If I compare these two side by side, you can see the difference in the length. And if you see side to side, you can see this one is definitely a lot thicker than this. Now, when choosing panty liners, you want to go for the thicker one, not the thinner one. You can see it's flimsy. It will even concave back in. You want to make sure that this happens really little. This, on the other hand, is not so easily bendable. That's a good thing. And it's longer. Now, one of the very, very important things that you need to remember what to do is when pasting down your panty liner, you're not going to just put it right under. You kind of need to go a little bit more forward. I'll show you what I mean. When you have your underwear, you're basically going to make sure that you paste it a little bit higher than where you would normally. You don't want to start it right in the middle or the center seam. Meaning, if you're here, you don't want to stick it right in the middle. You want to go slightly further up to the front. So in a way, higher up here and not down there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it down. You see kind of where 2/3 of the panty liner is. Stick it down in the center seam so that when you wear your underwear, it is going to be slightly higher up. This is important because we don't want just the bottom of it to just be holding it. You want it to go further up so you have more coverage. For some people, you may say that, okay, this is still not enough for me. It still concaves in. The other thing that you can do is you can then take one more panty liner and stack it on top. So now when you wear your tights, you are super safe to go. You can see how the shape of it is now formed. It is very curved and there's no way it's going to concave back. So this is definitely one thing you can do. Another way is, if you don't want to wear underwear, you can stick it directly to your tights. It is entirely up to you, and this will definitely work as long as you choose a slightly thicker panty liner. Let me know if this method works for you. I know it does work for me, but if you have any other methods, please share. I would like to let everyone know about it too. Comment down below with any of the methods that you have. Please like and subscribe over here, and we'll be happy to see you soon. Bye!